Welcome to the Ultimate Logo Challenge. You have just 3 seconds to guess each logo. Keep score and see how many you get right. Let's begin. It's Apple, the brand behind the iPhone. It's Google, the search engine we all use. It's Facebook, now part of Meta. It's Amazon, everything delivered to your door. It's YouTube. It's McDonald's. It's Nike, just do it. It's Adidas, 3 stripes of style. It's KFC, finger licking good. It's Coca-Cola, the classic soft drink. It's Pepsi, Coca-Cola's biggest rival. It's Instagram, perfect for sharing. It's WhatsApp, message instantly. It's Netflix, time to chill. It's Twitter, where tweets rule the feed. It's Toyota, reliable and trusted. It's Mercedes, luxury on wheels. It's BMW, sheer driving pleasure. It's Starbucks, coffee lover's paradise. It's Subway, eat fresh. It's Snapchat, snap and share. It's Puma, fast and fierce. It's Spotify, your music, your vibe. It's Telegram, privacy focused. It's LinkedIn, where careers connect. It's Samsung, smart in every way. It's Intel, powering your PC. It's Honda, the power of dreams. It's Visa, everywhere you want to be. It's MasterCard, priceless experiences. Round 2. It's Tesla, electrifying the car world. It's Audi, 4 rings of excellence. It's Shell, energy giant with a bright logo. It's Unilever, everyday brands under one name. It's PayPal, easy and secure payments. It's Flipkart India's online shopping stop. It's Zomato food delivery made fun. It's Swiggy fast food, faster delivery. It's Domino's. It's Red Bull gives you wings. It's LG Life's good. It's HP Trusted Tech Worldwide. It's Firefox, a browser with Byte. It's Philips Innovation and You. It's Oppo. It's Vivo, capture the perfect shot. It's Xiaomi, innovation for everyone. It's Dell, built for business. It's Chevrolet, iconic American cars. It's Pizza Hut. It's Burger King. It's JBL, sound that rocks. It's Acer, simple and powerful PCS. It's Uber, your ride, anytime. It's Lyft, Pink rideshare power. It's Reebok, fitness and fashion combined. It's Boeing, sky high innovation. It's Nestle, good food, good life. It's Tata, India's industrial backbone. It's Amul, the taste of India. It's Colgate, a smile you can trust. It's Dettol, your hygiene guardian. It's ICICI Bank, Indian banking giant. It's HDFC Bank. It's Britannia, delicious and trusted. It's Maggi 2-minute noodles. It's Indigo, on-time flying. It's Air India, India's national carrier. It's Axis Bank, progress on your side. It's Nescafe, start your day right. Now it's hard round. It's Beats by Dre, bass heavy audio brand. It's Slack, team communication simplified. It's Dribble. It's Notion all-in-one productivity tool. It's Trello boards that organize everything. It's Adobe Creative Cloud King. It's Behance. It's GitHub Code, Share and Build. It's Coursera Online Learning made easy. It's Skillshare Learn Anything, Anytime. It's Zoom Let's Hop on a Call. It's WebEx Video Conferencing for Business. It's Discord Gamers and Communities Unite. It's Duolingo Learn Languages with an OWL. It's Shazam Name That Tune. It's Signal. It's Canva where design made simple. It's Envato the digital marketplace. It's Fiverr. It's Upwork Connect and work remotely. It's Tata Motors driven by innovation. It's Mahindra powering progress in India. It's Ola ride hailing at your fingertips. It's Byju's Learn Smarter, Not Harder. It's PhonePe digital payments made easy. It's Dream 11. It's CoinSwitch where trades seamlessly. It's Zerodha. It's Myntra Beauty and Fashion Online. It's Louis Vuitton, the only weight I like to carry. Well done. You made it through all 100 logos. How many did you guess correctly? Comment your score below and challenge your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes. Thanks for watching.